Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about partial differentiation. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to do, we need to find first derivative of f with respect to x and first derivative of f with respect to y. So for the first one, if we do this one, we need to know that s is about variable, y just likely the numbers in here. So for this one, we will have about 2s. This one, you got number 0 because we don't have s. Next, this one we have number 1. So after we do in first derivative, this one we don't have s, so you got 0. Now let's go to the second one. This one we don't have y, so you got 0. This one we have y squared, so we have 2y in here. This one we don't have y. This one we have number 1. This one that is about the constant, so you got 0. And now this one we simplify. So the next one, we put this one equals to number 0. That means this one equals to number 0 and this one equals to number 0. So we can find the value of x and y. So we have x. So we put number 6 go to the right and we divide both sides by negative number 12. So we have 1/2. This one we have y equals to negative number 1. And now we just have only one point s, y. Now we need to consider which one related in here. Relative minimum, relative maximum, and the shadow point. Now we need to go second derivative f of x with respect to x. That means we do first derivative fx with respect to x in here. So we just have only this one. And that is about negative number 12. And the next one, fyy. That is about first derivative f of y with respect to y. So that is about this one. So that's it. We have only negative 18. fsy. So I will choose about this one. However, we don't have y in here. So you got 0. And now we have d. That is about fsx fyy minus fsy to the power of 2. So we put number code here. This one we calculate and we have 216. And this one is greater than number 0. So we need to consider about f s because for this one we see that this is about negative number 12 and this is smaller than number 0. That means we have the condition d is greater than number 0. fs is smaller than number 0. So that is about relative maximum. So we have another condition in here. This one for relative minimum, and D is smaller than number 0. That is about the shadow point. So in this one, we just have this one in here. So that should be about maximum. So if we want to find the value of Z, we have S and Y. That is this number in here. We put this number go to this function in here. So we put S equals to 1/2 and Y equals to negative number 1, and we can find the value of Z. We have 33/2, and now we just write this one in here. That's about 1/2 negative number 1, 33/2. Because we don't have this one and this one, we can write D and E does not exist. So that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.